Hey skaters, Kev here. Today we got a new trick that I've learned. It's called I'm calling it the Mc Twizzle. It's a funny name. It's a low risk trick. I'll do it over there first so you guys can check it out, and then I'll break it down. Ready?
All right.
You have to watch out, Chaz. I might be dropping in right over there.
Ooh. Ah. All right.
So that's the Mc Twizzle. That's what I'm calling the Mc Twizzle. So basically what you're going to want to do is first you want to be comfortable dropping in, of course, and skating all the way out onto the deck. So the way I'm going is I'm going up and out to the right, and I'm landing on my outside foot, and then you just kind of crouch down real low and kind of go into almost like a shooting of the shoot the duck position. All right, so I'll do that first. So you drop in. You gotta land on this foot, with this foot hanging down.
Ah.
And then you fall back on this hand with this foot kind of almost like shoot the duck. But I have my hand open. You can do whatever you want with your hand, but all my weight's on this hand, and I'm got it on this skate as well. I'm kind of all the way down, and from here you reach across with this hand like this.
Ah.
And then just drop right in. It's simple.
Oh.
And it's very low risk, which I like, and I think a lot of you beginner skaters are gonna like to and appreciate it, because you're so close to the ground. When you do this, if you just mess up, you bump this a little bit, or you just slide down. It's not that high of a risk trick, but it's really fun to do because you can kind of keep your flow, so, and it's like a little groundwork move too. So I'll do it one more time.
All right.
So you guys can check it out.
Are you gonna do it slow or fast?
I'll do it slow.
Okay.
If you want.
Yes, please.
Let's do it slow.
Slow.
All right, so you drop in, land, hang your foot, reach back with that hand. That's just like the first part of it, and the hardest part, just getting that stance first. Then once you're comfortable, reach around and drop in.
All right.
It's not that hard. It's kind of weird to reach back behind you, kind of reaching back behind you with this hand.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, when you're reaching across this way, that's the only thing. You're going this way, and then you reach across and just go in. Fakey. Super cool.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
Just another trick for you skaters out there to learn and impress your buddies, or your girlfriend, or whatever. So hopefully you guys found this skating video useful. We do all kinds of things. If you guys want more tutorials, let us know. We'll be glad to try to do what we can do to do them. So thanks for checking in, as always, you guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Check out our merchandise too. See you guys later. Happy Saturday. Bye.